Madiskarteng people, it's me again, Madiskarteng Inday, and today's video we will bake super moist banana bread. Okay, we need 3 pieces of banana and we will mash it, and 175 grams of all-purpose flour, ,90 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and put a hole and put our melted butter. And we put also our 2 pieces of egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And it's time to combine all the ingredients. Until like this texture. And we get our mashed banana and combine the ingredients all together. Before, I have video also like this banana bread, but for today I want to add some walnut like that, then just mix it. And for today's banana bread, I want to use like this because I want to achieve the bar shape after we bake it. So if you don't have like this shape, you can use the ordinary one. It's fine. It's up to you. And now, here's our super moist banana bar bread. So yummy. Thank you so much, Madiskarteng people. I hope you enjoy my video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Madiskarteng people. Bye-bye.